I'm at the house addition this morning, and I'm going to get started by moving that water line that was in the way of my framing. And then while I'm waiting to turn the water back on, I'll swap the AC disconnect. So let's get started. Keep hearing like electrical shocks. It's just that paper. Instead of setting that box first, I'm going to try to set this framing first, and then I'll start hanging the siding. Once I get the siding on, then I'll mount that box. So now that I got the framing in and it's all ready to go, I'm going to insulate it and just go ahead and close it back up. So I've got all the siding installed, at least all the siding that I can install right now, because in this area right here is where the new floor will go. So I want to leave that area open until after I do all the framing and it's all trimmed out. Then I'll put the siding back in and finish it out. So at this point, I think I'm just going to move those containers back into place, and I'll clean up a little bit more and maybe organize a little bit better, and then I'll install that AC disconnect, and that might be the end of the day for me. So today, I got the siding reinstalled, I swapped the AC disconnect box, and I moved the plumbing, and that's all functional, and I installed the quad stack framing for the LVL that'll go over by the window. So hopefully tomorrow, in the next clip, you'll see me start to cut into the floor cavity on the existing house, and I'll prep to set the LVLs into place and try to get it squared up. So I hope to see you then.